Welcome back to our final video of our Flamenco Footwork Drills Challenge for experienced dancers. If you missed any of the other videos, please follow the links so you can start from the very beginning, because everything that we do, it builds upon each other. So if you watch today's video without that experience, it might not make that much sense. So what we've been working on the Rolling Golpe technique and footwork, and we've been working in Solea por Bulería. We know that the compás is everything in flamenco, the heartbeat of flamenco, so that we're always trying to embody that. We know that Solea por Bulería is an aggressive rhythm, and so our footwork is going to express that as well. We know that in flamenco we need to have that courage to stand up and be seen, to make mistakes, to enjoy the process. We need all of that. So technique-wise, we've been working on the Rolling Golpe, and we started off with the syncopated taka 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 taka, and then we worked in the split. Then we worked on the beat. With those accents of 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. And then in the third one, we split that compás. So we know that it really helps to be able to verbalize the footwork pattern that we are doing. And it helps to be able to play palmas along that verbalizing. So if you can play the palmas and verbalize it, that really helps. If you can't quite control the two, at least to be able to listen to solo compás and to be able to verbalize it with the music. Because if you can verbalize it in your head, that's one thing, but when you actually have the rhythm with you, the compás playing back, that's a whole other thing of being able to dance it in compás. And of course, like what we know about flamenco, it's all about the compás. All right, so today what we're going to do is we're going to combine all of that into one long pattern. And so it's a great drill, and it can be also a great sequence for an escovilla. So an escovilla is a whole footwork section in the dance. So you can, for drills and as an escovilla. And also in the future, if you're ready for it, you can always improvise all these different elements around each other and just kind of mix and match. So they're Lego pieces, Lego blocks that you can build on top of each other, or you can move them around and put them in different order. All right, so what we will do today, we are going to start off with syncopated, and then we're going to go into split compás. But what we will do is we will do split compás in the 6, what we just did, and then we'll do split compás in the 3, and I'll show you what that is, and then we'll finish it off with going on the beat. Okay, so I will show. Let's start that pattern right now. All right. So what we're doing is we have syncopated first. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we'll go split the compás. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we're going to go into 3. So 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. Okay, so you get that? So that split compás in the 3, you're still going 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So what we will do, and then we will finish it off with going on the beat. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, So let's review. So we're going to do 2 compases of each on the right, and then we'll do it on the left. So again, that was 8, 9, 10, and 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now split it on the 6, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. And now on the 3s, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now on the beat, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 3, 6, 8, 10. Okay, so let's try that with solo compás at 110. 7, 8, 9, 10, and get those heels up, abs in, and now we'll split it. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 3, 6, 8, 10. And now on the 3s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 9, 10, 12, 3, 6, 9. On the beat. 12, 3, 6, 8, 10, 12, 3, 6, 8, 10. Ole. Now let's go on the left. Here we go. 7, 8, 9, 10, and. All right, now let's go on the left. 7, 8, 9, 10, and. Okay, split. Okay, on the 3, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 12, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Okay, on the beat, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 3, 6, 8, 10. Ole. Let's do one more round. We're going to add arms. 8, 9, 10, and. And left arm. Okay, split it. And on the 3s. Solo compás with the guitar now. Okay, here we go. We'll add arms. Here we go. 7, 8, 9, 10, and syncopate. Relax. Syncopated. next compás. Here we go. 7, 8, 9, 10, and. Syncopated? Or split, I mean. Ole, you did it. So, that was good. So we just did a whole combination using the Rolling Golpe. So you can see, like, you can just keep layering on top of it and do an entire escobilla just with that one single technique. And we know that the tempo that we were working in at 144, if you're doing like a traditional escobilla, it could be much faster than that. So can you imagine, like, for all the combinations you can use with that one single technique if you go faster. However, I have to recommend you or remind you that you need to, start off slow, get that strength, get the articulation, get that flexibility in your feet, and getting that compás in you for sure before you start going faster and faster and faster. All right, so one last thing is I want you to practice, record yourself, post your video in the Facebook group, because you know that you'll get lots of support, lots of jaleos, and of course that there is wonderful prizes being passed out, free memberships to the Online Flamenco Studio to some people that participate. There's special prizes. So now with all of this, you might be wondering, okay, what next? Well, I will invite you very soon. I will soon send you all the information you need about my Online Flamenco Studio, and that is a video on-demand flamenco lessons membership site where you'll have access to over 40 courses for all levels. But not only that, it's a wonderful community as well, and there's lots of support. But more information on that later. Again, I want you to post your video in the Facebook group, and we're going to have a great big celebration. And I wanted to say ole, ole, ole to you for going on this journey with me and taking the time for your own practice, your own passion, and sharing that passion with everyone else. Because when you feel good, right, and you feel good in your body, and you share that with other people, that helps other people to do the same as well. So, gracias, mil gracias. And thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you in the group. And eventually in my membership too.